As a member committee of the committee in charge of writing this encyclopedia, the committee will work with artists so as to identify all songs, Burundian songs and Burundian artists, their lives and their works, so that they can be written in one book that is to be called an encyclopedia. And this will help Burundian and non-Burundian people living here in Burundi and those living abroad to be able to listen or to go to look for the songs for Burundian authors written in one book and which is set here in Burundi. Actually, this project will last for 3 years, but it will depend on the financial means and other financial resources. But we hope that in collaboration with the ministry in charge of culture, sport, that this project will be done in due time, and we called upon the government of Burundi and other partners to collaborate and support this project of writing an encyclopedia of Burundian songs. The choice of artists and their songs, this will be done as a team. There is a team of experts. There are artists in the committee. There are writers, professors of universities. All these will help and we work together to identify the right songs and the right authors that will be written in this book.